Cat paws working overtime. Tiny needs on furry time. Press that back and work that spot. Dog just melts, can't feel his paws. Little paws, big time care.